Today I'm going to continue our chapter, and today I'm going to start exercise 11.3, question number 3. If the circumference of a circular sheet is 154 meter, find its radius and also find the area of the sheet. Okay, it is given to us. Here we have given circumference. What is it given? Circumference of a circular sheet, which is 154 meter. So what is the circumference of the circle? We know that the circumference of circle is 2 pi r of pi into d. Here I am using the formula 2 pi r because here we need to find radius. Okay, that's why. So 154, and here we need to use the value of pi is 22 upon 7. So write 2 multiplied by 22 upon 7 r is equals to 154. Now after that, you know that what will happen. We will have 44 upon 7 into r equals to 154. 44 upon 7 into r is equals to 154. Then r equals to 154 multiplied by 7 upon 44. 11 1 the 11, 11 for the 44, and 11 for the 44 here also. 14 the and 7 the, 2 to the 4 and 2 7 the 14, which is equals to 49 upon 2, and the half of 49 is what? 28, 29.5. Sorry, 24.5 is the half of 49. Okay, now after that we need to calculate area. For calculating area, we use formula pi r square. Pi means 22.7. R we have already calculated 49 by 2. I am taking this only, 49 upon 2. So 2 11s are 22 and 7 7s are 49. So up to this part we have 77. Multiply 49 by 2. Solve it. You will get the answer 1886.5. Okay. Now the next question. Question number 4. A gardener wants to fence a circular garden of a diameter 21 meter. Okay. A gardener wants to fence a circular garden of diameter 21 meter. Okay, so there is a garden whose diameter is 21 meter. This is 21 meter. Okay, if find the length of road he needs to purchase, we need to find the length of rope. Okay, length of rope means the red circular path we need to calculate. If he makes how many rounds? 2 rounds. How many rounds it is taking? 2 rounds. So whatever the circumference of the circle is there, we will multiply that with 2. So what is the formula of circumference? Circumference equals to pi into d. Okay, and here it is taking 2 rounds, so we will multiply 2 multiply pi multiply by d, which is equals to 2 pi is 22 upon 7 and d is 21 meter. 7 3 the 21, 3 to the 6, so what you will have? 6 to the 12 and 6 to the 12, 132 meter. This is the length of rope we need to cover this or to fence this circular garden when we want to make 2 rounds of it, of fencing. Okay, now find the cost of fencing. The cost of fencing is 4 rupees per meter, so we'll multiply 132 with 4 to find the cos. So we'll have 4 8 is 32 and 13 4 the 52. 52 528 rupees. Okay, see the answer. In this manner you have to write in your copy. Now the next part, question number 5. From a circular sheet of radius 4 cm, a circle of radius 3 cm is removed. It is saying, I'm showing you, there is a circular sheet of radius 4 cm. Suppose this is a 4 cm radius circle. Okay, and we need to remove 3 cm circle. So we want to remove this part. Okay, the shaded part. We want to remove this particular circle. Okay, as it is given in the figure. Now the thing is, what we will do, how we'll remove this, or how we'll calculate this portion area. To calculate this, what you need to do, simple, you have to do one thing. First, find the area of the outer ring in this, I mean this line. Okay, and find the area of inner ring. Okay, area enclosed by outer ring and area enclosed by inner ring, and then you subtract it. As you can see here in this solution, outer radius circle is 4 centimeter, and inner radius of the circle is 3 centimeter. Remaining area is equals to area of the first circle minus area of the second circle. So likewise you will get the answer very easily. So what you need to do here, 3.14 you need to carry, take common. Then here you will have 4 into 4 16, and here you will have 3 into 3 9. 3.14, 16 minus 9 is how much? 7. Now multiply this, you will get the answer 21.98. I think this one is the easy one as compared to this solution. Okay, what here we can see that 3.14 3.4 in both places by using distributive property. So we can take 3.14 common, and remaining thing we will multiply here. 4 4 16 and 3 3 the 9. Okay, if you understand this, that is very good. Otherwise you can copy the same. Now question number 6. Sama wants to put a lace on the edge of a circular table cover of diameter 1.5 meter. Find the length of the lace required and also find its cost if 1 meter of the lace costs rupees 15. Sama want to put a lace on the edge of a circular table. Here the diameter is given 1.5 meter. Find the length of lace required and also find. This is very simple question. It is similar to the question number 4. Just only thing, in question number 4 we have 2 rounds of fencing, and here we are covering only 1 round. So here what we'll use the same formula, pi into d, to calculate circumference. Why we are taking circumference? Because laces we can put in the outside of the circle, okay, or on the boundary. So in that condition, here we are not calculating any kind of inner region or shaded region area. Okay, that's why we are calculating a circumference. Circumference equals to pi into d. So the pi we need to use a 3.14 and diameter is given 1.5 meter. So multiply this, you will get the answer. Okay, what? 4.71. Then afterward you need to calculate the cost. Then to calculate cost, you multiply this and you will get the answer 70.65. Now question number 7, that is very good question. We need to find the perimeter of that joining figure. And after hearing this word, really some of them may surprise. Sir, really? Here we are going to calculate perimeter. Why? Because perimeter we always use this term in polygons. We use these terms for polygons. But why we are using here perimeter? Because for the circle we are always calculating circumference. So here the meaning of perimeter is the circumference of the half circle plus this diameter. So to calculate the perimeter of semicircle, what you will do? Circumference of semicircle, okay, plus diameter. So what is the formula? Perimeter, circumference of half circle is what? 1 upon 2 pi d plus d. Okay, 22 upon 7 we will use here, 1 by 2, and d is 10 plus 10. Use this formula. 2 11 is 22. Here we will have 110 upon 7 plus 10. What we will have? 110 upon 7 plus 10. Try to solve by yourself, then you will get how I am getting this question. Okay, 11 into 10 is equals to 110 and upon 7 plus 10. Then afterwards 110 plus 70 upon 7. Why? We'll multiply this. You know how to add fractions while taking LCM or making their denominator same. Okay, so we will have here 180 upon 7. Now solve it and you will get the answer. Okay, okay. Now next question, question number 8. Find the cost of polishing of a circular tabletop of diameter 1.6 meter. So what is the meaning of polishing? See, here this is the tabletop and you need to polish this. Polish this means polishing here inside in this region, and this region is known as area. Yes or no? So here in this question we have to calculate the area of circle. Okay, where you have given the diameter 1.6 meter. So I told you, when you have given the diameter, in that condition you will just write upon 2. So how you will do? 3.14, because area of circle is pi r square. 3.14 multiply by r is means 1.6 upon 2 and 1.6 upon 2. Solve it and you will get the answer. Okay, then for the calculating the cost of polishing, you just multiply with 15. What you will multiply? The area with 15. Question number 9. Shaz took a wire of length 44 cm and bent into the shape of a circle. Okay, find the radius of the circle and also find its area. Then if the same wire is bent into the shape of square, what will be the length of each of its sides? Which figure encloses more area, the circular or the square? This kind of question we had already done in the previous exercise. In that question we had compared the square and the rectangle. Okay, so with the same method, first there is a wire, okay, which length is given us 44 centimeter. Okay, and this wire is bent into the circle. Then the same wire is bent into the square. We need to find the length of this, radius and the side of a square. Then we need to compare the area, which enclose more area. So here I told you that time the same wire is bent into both shapes, first in circle then in square. So the length is same in both the condition. Yes or no? Obviously yes. So the circumference of a circle is equals to perimeter of square. Yes or no? And both is equals to 44 centimeter. So with this equation we are going to calculate the radius as well as length of the square. See how? Circumference we know that 2 pi r, 2 into 27, and r we need to calculate, and it is given 44. So here we have 44 upon 7 into r, 44. So definitely you will get the answer 44 upon multiply by 7 upon 44. Yes or no? This will go downwards and this will go upward. 44 44 cancel. The value of r will be equals to 7 centimeter. Then you need to calculate the area. After calculating area you will get here 154 centimeter, 154 square centimeter. Then you need to calculate the perimeter of square, and the perimeter of square is what? 4 into side. So 44 equals to 4 multiplied by side. So side equals to 44 upon 4, which is equals to 11 centimeter, and the area equals to area of square is equals to side into side, 11 into 11 equals to 121. So we can say that if the perimeter of the circle and the square is same, then circle enclosed more area. See, by this method you have to do in copy. Okay. Now question number 10. From a circular sheet of radius 14 centimeter, two circles of radius 3.5 centimeter and rectangle of length 3 centimeter and breadth 1 centimeter are removed. Find the area of the remaining sheet. So first you calculate the area of whole sheet. Okay. Pi r square for the first sheet, the whole circle, this one, where radius is given to you 14 centimeter. 7 to the 14, 44 into 14, then you will get the answer. Okay. So here the area of whole sheet is 616 centimeter square. Then calculate the area of two small circles. So two small circles enclosed have the same radius. So 222 upon 7, and r is 3.5 into 3.5. So this 2 and this 3.5 multiply and get 7. So you will have here 22 into 3.5. Okay. Multiply this. You will get answer 77. And now we need to calculate the area of this square, rectangle, which is also removed, which is equals to 3 into 1, 3 centimeter. So from the 616 you have to remove 77, then 3, which is equals to 80. So the answer is 536 centimeter square. Now question number 11. A circle of radius 2 centimeters cut out from a square piece of an aluminium sheet of side 6 centimeter. Find the area of leftover aluminium sheet. Now in this question it is saying a circular sheet of radius 2 centimeter is cut out from the square piece of aluminium sheet. This is a aluminium sheet. From this this circle is removed. Okay, now we need to calculate area of remaining part, means this part where circle is not included. So for this condition, you need to calculate the area of the square piece of sheet, then you have to subtract with area of circle. Okay, area square sheet is 6636, area circle is 20.56, which is equals to the 23.44 centimeter square. Say this better very carefully. If you have doubt, you can ask me again. Question number 12. The circumference of a circle is 3.14 centimeter. Find the radius of and the area of the circle. This is also very easy question. We have given circumference and you need to calculate radius. So here you have to do this question very intelligently. Three point 14 into 2 into r. Why I am saying intelligently? Because here we have the same numbers but difference is of only decimal. So 31.4 and this will lie here on the ground. 3.14 multiplied by 2. If you remove this decimal you will get here 100, and if you remove this you will get here 10. Okay, 314 totally cancelled, 10 and 0 cancel. Now you will have only 10 upon 2, which is 5. So radius equals to 5 centimeter. Then you need to calculate area. So area is 78.50 centimeter square. Question number 13. A circular flower bed is surrounded by a path of 4 meter wide. The diameter of the flower bed is 66 centimeter. What is the area of the path? You need to calculate the area of path. Here also we'll do the same thing. We will subtract the outer ring minus inner ring. Okay. So area enclosed by outer ring is, first you need to calculate the radius of the inner circle. So radius equals to diameter upon 2. 66 upon 2 equals to 33 is the radius of inner ring. So what is the radius of outer ring? 33. And what is the length of the road? How much width it is? It is given 4 meter. So he will add 4. So 37 meter is the radius of outer ring. Okay. Now subtract the area. How you have to do? Take 3.14 common. Capital R square minus small r square. 3.14 37 square minus 33 square. So solve this. 37 square means 37 into 37 and 33 means 33 square means 33 into 33. Subtract this and then multiply and you will get the same answer here. Okay. Another question. A circular flower garden has an area of 314 meters square. A sprinkler at the center of the garden can cover an area of the radius 12 meter. Okay. A circular garden has an area 314 meters square. Now we need to calculate how much area will be covered by the sprinkler. Here we have a garden, okay, which is circle in shape, whose area is 314. Here I placed a sprinkler. You have studied in the SST beta sprinkler irrigation, which sprinkles the field. Okay, sprinkle water to the field. It is used for the irrigation method for farming. Now see beta, when it is sprinkle the water, it covers the radius of 12 meter. Okay, now they are asking either this sprinkler cover the whole area of or not. So first we will calculate area covered by sprinkler. Area covered by sprinkler, which is equals to 3.14 multiply by 12, multiply by 12. Now check how much area it is covered. If the area of covered by the sprinkler is greater than the area of circle, then definitely it will be covered. Okay. Also, you can do one more thing. You can calculate the radius of the garden. So 314 pi 3.14 r square. Okay. So definitely you will get here 100. How? See, 314 upon 3.14. This decimal if you will remove, then 100 will come here, because after the decimal we have two numbers. So r square equals to 100, which means r equals to 10. Okay. So the sprinkler covers 12-meter area and the diameter of radius of the garden is 10 meter. So definitely sprinkler covers whole area. Next, find the circumference of the inner and the outer circle shown in the adjoining figure. Okay, circumference of outer circle is very easy. 3 how you can calculate? 3.14 multiply by 2 multiply by 19. Okay, multiply this and you will get the answer. And for the inner circle you need to calculate what? Inner radius, this part. So the whole is 19 and this part is only 10. So remove this part, you will have 19 minus 10 equals to 9. Same formula, but the radius is different. So here we'll multiply with 9, as you can see here. So both the circle radius is already calculated here. 16th. How many times the wheel of radius 28 centimeter must rotate to go 352 meter? So for this, what you need to do? First you need to calculate the circumference of wheel. What you need to calculate? Circumference of wheel. 2 into 22 upon 7 upon 28. Why I am taking out circumference? Because suppose this is wheel. So wheel touches this portion, okay, the circular region of road. It is no matter how many area is this, but it only the road touches only the outer portion of the wheel. So this is a circular in shape, and for this we need to calculate this portion. So for this, what we will do, we will calculate circumference. So what I told you, 2 multiply by 22 upon 7 multiply 28. 44 into 4, 8 to just 16, 8 to 16, 176 centimeter. So the radius is 176 centimeter. So to cover the distance of 352 meter, what you need to do? 352, convert this into 100 into centimeter, multiply by 100 upon 176. So 176 to the 352. So it will take 200 rotations. How much rotation it will take? 200. See, like this you have to do in your copy. Okay. Question number 17. The minute hand of a circular clock is 15 centimeter long. How far does the tip of the minute hand move in 1 hour? How far does it move? So here also you need to calculate the circumference. Okay, radius is given 15 centimeter, so 3.14 multiply by 15, then you will get the answer. 3 4s are 12, 3 wins are 3, 4, 3 are 9, 942. Okay, and 0. Put decimal here, 954.2 centimeter. Okay, so here I have completed this exercise. Tomorrow I will start last exercise of this chapter, and I suggest you to do all these questions in copy. Okay, because later on if you will keep the work pending, later on you will have trouble for this. So complete your work in time. Thank you and have a good day.